And let me come back to this post. I've warned about this post. Listen, take my voice to the general. He's our brother. Let me use our local language. He might understand me very clear. Odogwe Jimalo Bodonekene, Mr. General. I'm wearing Chok and Kowalo General. General Biko, post in Enyai is not important. Giving Biafrans the post is not important. Sending it to the localities is not important. Displaying the vehicles is not important. I am not happy with your post because the post you are giving to us will bring a disaster while the time is not yet. General, the post in Egosia Gebuten Sobu Mogi Nezuba. Post in a Sendelaye display on Wegi, a mix of your group, a number of Okonoha, and what you get to the federal level. Because it is so much impact. General, he can in a good position to train other guys. He can in a very good position to teach a lot of people how to use arms without displaying it on the street. I want to come bring you to your table, Mr. General. Palestinians plan 9 months to invade Israel. They fail to have that opportunity alone. They seek special advisors from Palestine, from Iran and the Hezbollah, Lebanon. They put them hands together. And 9 good months, Israel was trying to do some peace deal with neighborhood. While these guys are doing their need upon the blockade. And you see how they assemble themselves without a single video, Mr. General. Without a single display, Mr. General. Forget the stories of displaying yourself. I still maintain it myself. You may have all it takes to bring Nigeria down. Train more people. Now they can build 5,800 men. And the 426 women. 5,800 men, 426 women. How many population? 6,000 something. Train them, equip them, call them department. Eastern security is different. The Biafran armies and whatever. 5,800 men, 426 women, and they are ready. We didn't know. We didn't have any picture. Mr. General, I want you to go underground and train some men, some boys. We don't want this display. The enemies are within us. The enemies are the ones sharing your pictures and video. The enemies are among you. You cannot tell me the men with you there, you have 100% value with them. There is a Judas inside. Someone will display where you are. The training is what we need. Acquire more ammunition. Hit it underground. Acquire more ammunition. Hit it, my brother. Ibutengwa go for Nezola and Yakaiwe where you can succeed here. Train ally more men. Don't disclose your location. Things say Jimalogi, you can be a spy while you are doing your training. Afono happen, but one of your identity. Shave it off. You cannot be more popular than Gaddafi. When the Gaddafi time reach, all penetrate here. All his enemy, but his best friend and the people involved all in the America say no nacho. Not police here Nkembuto, Nkeboto, or Hapuzia, what within that 4 months on nacho. Isi ni neto ne called is a phone to no anyone day. America could not be able to know no Saddam Hussein de Hama. Biko General, Anma Yogi, you are still important to us. So, Mr. General Biko, Achom Kozi, Jeku, the way Jimalo, but I never had this advice. Kosi Metum Kansi, and be a long time I've been worried about you. I will go some tough men like you, but that some of them was wasted, and they have more to do. And we're talented men among Biafrans. Yanji were through aka Palestinian and Halo here for 9 months. Intelligent and after now. For good 9 months, Kahalo Olwa, no social media network. Because in Israel na monitor yenine. Not even a phone call monitor. Israel happen. Here na monitor ya. But these people could able to do this for 9 months. Execute now. Even without minding that the consequences here after Nehemiah. Now get demolished Palestinian. Now get wipe part of them. Now the map. But yet, they plan for 9 months. Mr. General, because I'm calling on you, Odogu na Apogi, Omuwa. People should share this to get to Odogu. But General, people should share it. Kori share to Nyawabo Obu Onye Mbonde na Agoya. People should share this. Kori share to that man, Bo Ozibo. Ide Anyimpa. I want you to stay back. Drop the camera. Continue doing underground work. 3 more men. We need to have 5,000. We cannot use 1,000 men to face Nigeria. It can never be possible. No matter how weak Nigeria is. No matter how weak Nigeria is. 1,000 Biafrans are facing. 2,000 Biafran soldiers cannot face Nigerian soldiers and win them. Can you mind the situation? No matter how weak Nigeria is, 1,000 or 2,000 men of Biafran soldiers cannot defeat Nigeria. Can you happen to gamble now in a gamble? We need to sit down and train the people who can train. Nime platform, each and every one of us, this video of General. I strongly condemn the video. I did not condemn the General. I condemn the video. Do the needful, but don't show off the video. Actions speak louder than voice. The video has nothing to show us. It cannot move the seat of government. Even the more the video na parade, the more Eastern governors na plan without a group network. Abena amende man attack. Who put on them take off camera helicopter. Na bomb we money no call. Eba na ato ala koje bomb eba. Makaron we eba sare won yiku eba won yibe. What is our action? What is our reaction? We need to equip men. Men on the ground. We need above 5,000 men. Israel Hamas attack has seen over 1,500 Hamas cross into Israel. Israel will the ready ones attack them. Call one for 3,000. Obo na kwado with Nigeria na ha hapo honna and KANU. I am a 1,000 face here. I am a 2,000 face. How many men can well? Each group in Indonesia, I ask, how many of you makesi any load mbwebe tinyebe na safety ba anwa ba mo dismantle ebe recouple ya tinyo you nimye when he sees? How many of you can carry a bag of 15 kg sand at back and run for 5 minutes? Iya ina ekwu very important. Ebuo ke enwe ke si me attack to General. Ebuo more men with him. And those people will just die, but without training others. Abu na ika nwere ikonso on the ground today. Ikonso when do I dey train? Abu na ika nwere ndị ọzọ mgbọsị emere ikonso attack. Enwere other people emenya na attack. All of them went. And we're brilliant men, not in this struggle, nwere opportunity to train others. We don't need to be displayed. Give up the General and go see every day. Your men put up say a putilo General and happen anyhow. Open a General put anyhow. What will be the next thing to do? The Hamas made Israel attack. Their generals and the Hano. The boys were on the street. The generals now control the Buebwe. Who sees their fire. On one case, general attack now. Okofima kuna na party nkanwa moto ndị ahụ na display na ogologo ụzọ ebe a bụ moto anyị eji wee jee ọrụ n'oge ọrụ ruo. Israel could not be able to display one vehicle there Hamas na arụ ya oge set ya moto pụta 9 months planning. I am on about 2 years age then we could not be able to execute one thing. We could not be able to achieve one goal. The only thing you can tell me news and here can Nigeria government kajiwe on na esi onwe anakata ekuta maka Biafra makana aka nwere ebe ọsọ department ọzọ mmadụ na-akpọ maka ya. This anakata asisita to homo shake kwa Anambra State akọkwa maka Biafra. Anakata ndị other side of Nigeria na asị you na south east na ha na-emetụta to homo no Biafra for Nnamdi Kanu. These are the only thing you can say we have achieved. The lawyers could not be delivered Nnamdi Kanu out. The DOS cannot be able to keep the house together. The men inside the IPOB families cannot be able to hold meeting together. The unit cannot organize themselves and wait for Nnamdi Kanu exit. The entire families cannot be able to unite and do one thing for real. Each platform Sogo. I know go Simon, I know go Odinkemma, I know go nke DOS, I know go Kodogu. All these things kai ganano. Abo Madam Azoka kai ni ana zo kitchen. I na Madam Ifi azoba efeleje kuraisi. I na esi e papa ejima si ni abu akoda acho oyo no mu ko ya ako. Kelun kai meputalo. I know ya for 24 months. Mapete kwa nenu na aga ofumpuli ha ya me ha chief. It's very shameful thing. Now in a display a lot of things in our Kandem Boso, but we cannot be able to display our own. General Kana Wokwa, or Muabodo Jimalo Bodo. Makasi onye Jimalo Yemenanjo. I maintain my argument with you. Stop displaying this video. I am not comfortable with it. Do your things on the ground and give the report to the people who seek Kenya report. A general is supposed to be inside. Allow the boys to do the needful. When it comes to the last minute, we call for general. General is the reservoir. You cannot be in front of the wall. Thank you.